If you are looking for the best note-taking experience inside Macintosh, then this video is for you. In this video, I am going to talk about that one app, which is one of the best, if not the best, in terms of handwritten note-taking. Of course, there are other apps like GoodNotes. They are featureful, but the kind of experience this particular app provide is next to nothing. I am talking none other than Notability that I am using since last 10 years. So Notability and GoodNotes are the two my favorite note-taking app that I love to use. If you want to know more about GoodNotes, I recently created video about it as well. Do check that one if you are interested in that one. And if you are wondering how the hell this guy is taking notes in Macintosh, so this is the device that you may need to purchase. It is not that expensive as iPad. It's going to cost you around $100 or 10,000 rupees if you are from India. And if you want to buy the exact one, then do check out the detailed in-depth review that I have created already about this particular one. And if I talk about the handwriting experience, believe me guys, this tab have better handwriting experience than my iPad Pro with Apple Pencil. So it is that intuitive and that good. Alright, so back to Macintosh screen, and here let me open Safari, and now let's look for Notability. Of course, we can also find it in App Store. Here also let me look for Notability, and there you go. You can see this app is already installed in my system, so that's why I am not getting this get option. In your case, if you are seeing this for the first time, you need to click on get, and that's how you install this app. Now the reason why I am opening this separately in Google so that I can show you a little bit more about the different plans and offering from it. So let's click here on pricing. So this app comes in three different plans, and I would definitely recommend you to start with starter plan. And if you get serious and you think that this is the app that I'm looking for, then you can upgrade for the plus. And if by any means you are a student, then you can go for education, and that's how I guess you can get GoodNotes for completely free. Now let me go back to pricing. If we talk about cross-platform availability, then currently this is only available for Apple environment. So please keep this in mind. If you want cross-functional compatibility, I think GoodNotes is one of the best alternative of Notability if you want this in every platform. And you may also try Notability for web, which is again I think should be accessible from any device. Alright, so after install, simply go to Spotlight and look for Notability. And there you go. So this is how this app look like, and since I am using this app since last 10 years, I saw how this app kept on improving itself. And still there are certain features being added, and these features are especially useful for academia, where one can get automatic action item from lectures and meetings. So it is really nice guys. For that probably one need to go for a pro plan, which is even more expensive, but probably one can start free trial of it. But for the timing, I think I am okay with plus plan, so I'm gonna cancel it. Now let me click on next, and here with the document that you have created, you can also generate quiz, and probably I will see if really that's the case. So here are my very old German notes created in 2016, and here we are in 2025. So as I was mentioning, I'm using this app since long. So let me see if I really can create quiz out of it. And there you go. Here we can see which item would you use to write on a blackboard in a classroom. Oh my god, that's tough. I do not remember. So it should be blackboard, which is the Tafel. Oh no. It probably should be chalk, and this is what they call in German, which of course I might have forgotten, and here it is. So this is how you can utilize the power of quiz here. And then here you also gonna get kind of explanation. It says the chalk is the correct answer because it is a traditional writing tool used on a blackboard. So yeah, I mean it is really nice to have. And then it says Verstehen, which is to understand. Probably I'm correct in this time. So I mean this is the way how you can create. And then there are mix and match as well, which is again kind of interesting. So all these features are going to make your study really very interactive. And let me actually make it like this. And now seems like we need to mix and match. And I am pretty nervous here. Look very minimalistic. They look very clean. And here probably this is different topic, which is in English. And then still I can see the summary is being created automatically by Notability, where probably I talked about classification of load, stress, strain, and Hooke's law. So this is really awesome, guys, especially for study purpose. That's why Notability is the best, if not the best, then one of the best handwritten note-taking application out there in the market, period. And let me actually create a note here by showing you the option it have. So this is the page, which is blank page, of course. If I want to create a new, I can simply click on new, and that's how I've created a new page. I can also create new subject or new note by simply going here in subjects, and then if I click here on plus, it's gonna give me add subject, and there probably I can create a new, maybe I'm gonna say my notebook, and inside the subject I can create a new note. Now let me make it full screen so that I can utilize the entire workspace, and here I can decide the kind of page I want. So here I have selected this rule one, and then here I'm gonna see different options, some option to import pictures from your iCloud. Then we have got these pens, and writing experience is the one that makes Notability. This is one of the best writing experience one can have in their Macintosh. And for me, if you only talk about writing experience, this is the best. But of course your opinion may vary, and I do respect that. And now, alright, now let me go back here in different pens. So here of course you can choose any color by clicking here, and then you can create your own custom pen color. And then here we have got these different sizes. Then also we have got these different types of pens, highlighter, and then of course you can record your notes and then can utilize them. Now here we also have got option to write text, and then this is simply the scroll mode. And then here we have got few more options. For example, this highlighter, which further can be customized based on your requirement. And here we also do have got tape, which is kind of useful sometime when especially useful for academic purpose. Then here we have got settings, which let us customize our menu. And then rubber is also there, which can be used to erase the content. And then rubber also can be customized in form of either you want to omit partial or you want to omit whole. So that's a quick overview. And of course you also can take backup of your notes. Since this video is more of how one can download and install Notability, so I will not go too deep inside reviewing it, but if you want, I definitely can make a dedicated video on Notability. And that's also wrap up this video. At The Mac Essential, our whole sole objective is to help you in elevating your macros experience. And if you like this video, I would recommend you to be part of it by subscribing to The Mac Essential. My name is Preetham Negi signing off, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.